Manong, where are we going? Manong, where are we going now? To the beach. To the beach. Arya, where are we going? Parang mini grandstand dito, but I don't know the name, sorry po. And right now we are approaching Guimbal, Iloilo, a town of the rising sun and suns. So diba may paterno silang parang wall na parang fence or gate, and slow mo natin yan, The Vanishing Mansion. Urban legend siya na meron daw nag-appear disappear na parang Spanish grand mansion dyan, and my white lady din daw. Moving on, this is the longest bridge in Western Visayas. Sabi nila, pipigilan nyo daw yung paghinga nyo pag tumaan kayo dyan hanggang dulo dahil matutupad daw ang wish nyo. So, di ba may paandar ang Guimbal Bridge. So, Mahara Cafe. I like the vibe of the place, very relaxing and family friendly siya. Look at the place, the sound of the waves, the sunset. Sarap mabuhay, di ba? Look at the place. What can you say about the place? Is it nice? Is the beach nice?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
So, ayan po. Sa likod namin, there's a beach. Our papa is getting the order. Ito talaga. Oh, ayan. At pinakita ko ulit yung beach. Ang ganda talaga kasi ng nature. No? You will appreciate life. I mean, you will realize to appreciate life. And kain time. Yung food nila, very affordable siya and budget-friendly siya as a family. Sorry, hindi ko na-include or hindi ko na-picturean yung mga prices ng food, but very affordable siya. Yan, kain time. So, si Jacob nahingi ng ketchup. Yes, inutusan ng tatay, ang mahiyaing anak. Yan, pasigaw-sigaw lang siya dyan ng ketchup. At walang nakakarinig kasi mahina ang boses. Oh. Siya nahihiya mag-ask ng ketchup. Thank you. Ta-da! No. What will you say?
Thank you.
Welcome. This is the place. I like na hindi din madulas ang klase ng tiles ng floor nila. Para safe din yung mga chikiting sa pag tatakbuhan dyan. Manong, be careful. Makulit talaga yung isa at umalis. Yung isa, paupo. And it's nice na meron sila ditong camping chairs and tables for adult and kids. Maybe it's theirs, pero nag-enjoy ang kids na magtambay-tambay dito. Chill. And what I really appreciate here is yung grass area nila. Where your kids can run freely. Kapag matumba man sila, okay lang kasi maraming grass. Ayan, happy sila, takbuhan. And that's it. See you next